Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling monetization so SuperChat is possible. Sign into YouTube Studio, verify your identity, and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This unlocks monetization features. Once approved, link a Google AdSense account and confirm payment info so you can receive funds. Make sure to enable two-step verification. YouTube requires account security. Now that monetization is active, move to live stream settings to enable SuperChat donations and set channel rules for chat moderation. Next, configure your live stream to accept SuperChat. In YouTube Studio, choose Create, Go Live, and select either Stream or Webcam. Populate stream title, thumbnail, and category. Under Monetization, enable SuperChat and confirm the currency and price tiers viewers will see. Then set chat settings, slow mode, subscriber-only options, and blocked words. Appoint moderators to handle abuse. This ensures donations appear with highlighted messages and that the chat remains safe and readable for everyone watching. Finally, start your live broadcast and watch SuperChats appear in the live control room. Highlighted messages and pins show donor amounts and duration. Engage donors by reading names aloud, and confirm payments will flow to your linked AdSense account after processing. If SuperChat does not appear, double-check eligibility, local availability. SuperChat is region-limited, and ensure there are no AdSense payment holds or policy strikes on your channel. If problems persist, revoke and reauthorize AdSense or contact YouTube support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.